Alright guys, welcome back. Look who we've got. Look at this squeaky butt man with his squeaky jack. Him and his squeaky ass jack. That's good, isn't it? But I'm going to show you something in a minute. We're going to take that off and I'm going to show you something. But if you don't know what it is, it's a little Honda CR-V. That's nice. It's real nice. I haven't actually worked on one of these before, actually, to be honest with you. Don't know why. Just never really come across them. But anyway, let's get this wheel off. I'm going to show you something. You might like this, you might not. So what's wrong with it, Harry?
We have a broken drive shaft.
Oh, broken drive shaft. Is that all?
Drive shaft.
Oh, shall we see it? Check this one out, guys, look. Yummy. They all do this, man, in there. Everyone, all of these. Look at that. Tasty. But any time you got these plastic, the rubber, like dampeners, whatever they are, they always end up holding moisture and causing that. And you see this across, like, I'm sure these are on, like, the Toyotas, the Hyundais, and a few other things. Beautiful. That was nice, mate, that was.
It was beautiful.
That was beautiful.
It's going to be stuck. It's going to be stuck. Twisted metal.
Trying to cheat it, weren't he? Trying to cheat it. Do you need a hammer, mate?
I need a hammer, please.
Do you want me to get you a hammer?
I want a hammer.
Oh, I'll be your tool bitch. I'm gonna go get a hammer.
Do you want to hammer it out as well?
Want me to hammer it out as well? I mean, I can if you really want me to. Okay. Check this out, look what I got here. That looks nice, doesn't it? I ain't got much battery on this because I'm having to use my phone because I forgot my camera today because I'm an idiot. So I'm going to be in and out of this. Yeah. Come on then, let's see what you can do, buddy boy. Power! That was nice.
And then if you use a punch.
That's a perfect punch. See?
A couple of minutes to get the drive shaft out. Easy job.
Look at that. There you go. So if you want to change your CV shaft, that's how you sort of change your CV joint, I suppose. Yeah, that's pretty well shagarooed, as they say.
Twisted.
You could stab someone with that if it weren't so floppy cock. Do some damage with that, man. Wee.
I'm gonna play with my shaft. Play with my shaft.
Harry trying to get people to play with his shaft. But yeah, what a thing, mate. That's nice. Right, I guess we'll get the rest of it out now. Yeah, we're going to get on with it. We'll be back. So I'm going to unscrew this under tray to get a bit of action. So all it is, see these little Phillips heads here? It's kind of hard to do when I'm looking through my phone. Just take them out, like that. There's a few of them around, just so you can get access underneath. That's not the right screw in these, I'm sure, but okay. So this doesn't turn out very nice. So basically, someone must have like a sandbag around and it is blowing right into the freaking face. That's well annoying. Anyway, check this out. That's what you got to be difficult. You see here, a bolt there, a couple up there somewhere. So you've got to get that shaft out of there. You've got to take off the nuts on the shock absorber as well. So again, not too bad. But yeah, I'm going to take those off because I ain't got much battery power. And look at this lazy prick here. Oh. Just likes the thing to do, just laying down on the job, you know what I mean? Okay, let's get it out. Saying that, I've not seen a design of a shaft like that before either. That's a bit new. So yeah, don't even have to take that out. Just looks like you can just split it there, give it a whack, and we're going to see what happens. Yeah, so that's all I did. Got my pry bar, metal centered pry bar. And just check that out. Just grab it like that. There we go. Job done. Let's it out. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? I ain't even gonna lie. Just literally smack it a couple of times with your
So it's not
lever bar. Nope. And then you just knock it out. Got to be actually the easiest drive shaft I think I've ever replaced in my life. Yeah, grab it out. Yeah, that's it. Look at that.
Hang on. Hold that.
What?
My shaft's bigger than yours.
Oh, for fuck's sake. You know what, he said this before, you know, but that's what his missus said too. Ooh. Oh, damn it! I still lose. I've probably never been a bloody off before. Do you want an actual breaker bar, mate?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get a breaker bar because that seems to be torqued up to about 3,000 Newton meters. So, yeah, get a breaker bar, guys. Not great. All right, it's going for a bit of a change-a-roo. Doing the lower ball joint instead, just because the simple fact is, with how tight someone's done them up, you don't want to take them off and then we've got no shock bolts. So we're just gonna whiz that off, knock the bottom ball joint out now, and do it that way. Normally I would say just take the 2 bolts out there on the shock, pull it forward, happy days, but with how tight someone's done that, yeah, not worth it. Do you want a real hammer? You're gonna want a real hammer, not a copper hammer, mate. Do you want a real hammer?
I want a real hammer.
He wants a real hammer. I'm gonna get him a real hammer because a copper hammer is not designed for that. Yeah, so there we go. Took that out because it was just much safer option taking the ball joint out there. See that? Safer doing that. And it was actually unbolting those, because whoever's put this suspension on before, it's probably, or whatever work's been done, it's done that up to like really way too tight. See if you can find the notch now. That's a nice design though, isn't it? And it does have a lock-in spring as well. 1 second. There we have it, guys and girls. That's it, just as simple as that. You just shove it on. Shove it in your hole. Yeah, man. Shove it in your hole. Let me get the bar on it. And then, get yourself your handy dandy lever bar. You can pull the arm down. Job is a good one. There you go. Just get it started a bit just so I don't pop back out. Now we gotta do, stick ball joint back in and that's pretty much it. Torque it all up, job done. So you need a bit of, that's pretty much it. See, there you go. All in. Not so bad. So obviously, I'm gonna torque it up, put it back on the ground. That's pretty much it really. Little Honda CR-V, what a strange design, but quite nice. So as you can see, this little CR-Z, quite a nice little motor. I've not come across them much. I keep saying CR-V in this, but it's actually a CR-Z. But if you did like this video, don't forget guys, if you hit that like, follow, share, all that good stuff. It's a bit of a quirky looking little car, but you know what? I did like it. And look, they're quite smart, aren't they? But anyway, we're coming to wrap this up now. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you very soon, guys. Don't forget, stick your little locking tab in as well. Can you see that? Yeah, get that little locking tab in there. Don't forget it. So you need to do that. It'd be a bit stupid if you didn't, wouldn't it? Yeah, fail an MOT, believe it or not. All right, that's that done. Shutting. Oh yeah, and don't forget, smack your tab in as well. I ain't done that yet. Probably should. And there you have it. That's the CR-V done. Weren't that bad. See, look, all good. Wheels on. Obviously, need to take it for a test drive, but we'll do that in a minute. But anyway, bit of a quick one, easy one. See you in the next one.